Welcome to the Revit Template Training Video's Ultimate Revit Template video series. My name is Kristen, and in this video, we will be going over the code review documentation section of the Ultimate Revit Template and its variants. On the code review documentation sheet, under the user guide heading, you will see information about using and documenting your code analysis sheets with elements such as tags, path of travel tools and schedules, and fire rating assemblies. You will also see a small area plan created for further examples. In the code review tag section, you will find multiple tag types listed, including area tags based on a drawn area plan, door occupant tags connected to place doors, stair occupant tags for model stairs, and tags for showing square footage of glazing areas on both doors and windows. The lowest tag is used for overall zoning information as related to a completed area or egress plan. All of these tags use shared parameters along with sections to be filled out. For example, in the area tag, once you've drawn an area on a linked area plan, you will place the tag and it will pull the square footage of the space. You can then use this tag to assign an area or room number, select if the area is to be sprinkled, and whether it has a single or multiple exit configuration. Then you will fill in the load occupancy factor. The remaining areas will auto-calculate. All the tags shown are built to work with all elements such as doors, stairs, and the shared parameter file included in this template. In the center section of this page are three options for showing path of travel. The first option uses basic line styles that can be modified in the Line Styles section under the Manage tab. These include a schedule that can be modified to list the maximum and minimum lengths of each line type. The second option uses line-based detail components and include options for turning on and off the start dot or end arrow. The schedule included with this option will populate as the elements are placed in the view and automatically add the links to any elements assigned to the same tag name in the comment section of the family. The final option is the recommended method when using this template. These are created using railing type families, but have been labeled so that they do not conflict with the railing setup explained in the railing and stairs video. The railing type option includes a schedule that will populate as the path of travel lines are created, automatically filter by all levels regardless of which view they are shown on, and show the full length modeled. Additional pros and cons of each option is shown in the blue text. The far right section shows assembly ratings that have been set up for use with walls, roofs, and floors. These use filters to auto-populate only in the necessary views based on the ratings given to each assembly individually. Door ratings can also be updated for each individual door, and all those set to a fire rating greater than 0 will show the door as red on all egress plans. In the area plan example in the middle of this page, you can see many of the above-mentioned tools used. We have also provided a recommended code diagram workflow for your use. This can be updated to reflect any specific workflows used at your company. The final section shows an example occupant load and egress schedule, as well as the key schedules created. The two key schedules are text-based schedules built based on current building code information and should be modified to reflect any changes in code requirements or project needs. To update either key schedule, navigate into the schedule you wish to modify and either add a row or update the already provided rows. These schedules will then update the information in the main schedule. The main schedule uses the multicolor method. White boxes are filled in automatically in Revit with either information pulled from the area plan or information pulled from the key plans. The blue boxes contain information that needs to be manually entered either by selecting from a pre-populated drop-down list, entering in the text manually, or selecting a checkbox tied to a yes or no parameter. Green boxes contain calculations that will automatically populate as the blue boxes are completed. Red boxes only appear if any information is deemed to be non-compliant, indicating the need for further review or updates. For additional information on how schedules are set up and managed, please review the Schedule Standards video in the Ultimate Revit Template video series. If you have any additional questions regarding the code review documentation setup or schedules in this template, please reach out to the Revit Template team.